In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to edit photos in Canva. Let's dive right in. To get started, go to Canva's homepage and click on the Create a Design button. From the dropdown, select Edit Photo. You'll be prompted to choose a photo from your computer. Once uploaded, click Edit Photo to enter the editor. To crop your image, click the crop icon in the toolbar or double-click the photo and drag the corners. Once satisfied, click Done. Next, you can flip your photo, horizontally or vertically, to create a different perspective. To adjust brightness, contrast or saturation, drag the sliders until you achieve the desired look. You can also apply filters for a unique style. Just choose a filter and adjust its intensity. Canva offers various photo effects like duotone for vibrant colors. Note that some features like background remover are exclusive to Canva Pro. Once you're happy with your edits, it's time to download. Click the download button in the top right and choose PNG for high quality images. Canva Pro users can also opt for transparent backgrounds.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.